Hello family, we're going to make some brownies today. Okay, how about that? And we're going to start with our box brownie mix. But we got our additions that we're going to add to this. So, it's going to be great. It is going to be good. I hope everyone's day is going well. Mine is. I'm cooking scissors here. And we're going to put this over in our bowl like so. There we go. I'm going to go over these ingredients. You know, I'm going to talk about it. How about that? We're not just going to be about it. We're going to talk about it, family. Okay? So we have our oven preheating at 350. And our brownie mix here. What we have to do is 1 egg. It calls for 1 egg. So here's the egg. Put this bowl over here for now. Sleeve up. Hands are clean. Hit this one more time. Here we go. Okay. And let's get to blending this a little bit. Stir. Break that egg up. You know. Okay. And it's calling for 1/3 cup of oil. So let's get that together here. Let's see. 1/3 cup. So let me see here. Cup. Let's see. Give me 1/3. Gotta be kind of careful with this. So let's do this. Go. Okay, I got that. Put it here. And into the battery goes. Okay. So we got that. Make sure we get all of our oil. Like so. Put that there. Okay. So I'm going to put this top on it. And let's get to blending this oil throughout this mix. It's not much, but I guess, you know, it'll get the job done. So we're going to do it like this. Let you see what's going on. Okay, here it is. Like so. Okay, and 1/4 cup of water. So let's do this. Okay, and blend this like so. So it's breaking down now really well, you know. Here we go. Here we go. Yep. Getting to get it the way we need it to be, family. How about that? Let's switch up and blend. Like so. There we go. And what I'm going to do is, now if someone's got peanut allergies and you know, then don't, you have to be careful. You don't want to add any. But here we go. We got pecans. So we're going to sprinkle, and they are very finely grated. You see that? Now that was 1 tablespoon. And we're going to mix this like so. Okay? There we go. So that's falling just the way we need it to. Go. And that's. And I'm going to add another tablespoon. So that'll be 2 tablespoons. And there we go. Here. Okay. So I grated that, you know, myself finely with a small grater. There we go. Got that going. And you just want to blend it, you know, like so. Blend it, stir it, mix. You know how we do it. There we go. There it is. And as I always say, I like to ask you to subscribe to the channel. There you go. You can hit the like button, and you can hit the notification bell. Or you can just subscribe. And then what you can do is you can, at your leisure, watch the videos. Let's get this. We want to make sure we get this well. There we go. Okay, I think that's it. So, let me see here. Take this and put it here. And where's my spoon? Got a large spoon here. I don't want to miss any of this, so we have our pan, like so, and use the baking spray, you know. Here we go. There we go. This is going to be really good. Okay. Like so. Now what we're going to do, put that there. I'm going to slide the spoon here. Okay. Now what I want to do is I have a bowl here, family. And I have a half a cup of peanut butter here. So we're going to do this. Like so. And this bowl is going into the microwave. Okay. Put this here. Like so. I'm going to cover this. I'm going to set this in the microwave. There we go. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to have sugar here, confectionery sugar. Okay, so what we're going to do with this is have our bowl here. I'm going to hold these like so, and we're going to use this bowl. Okay, take this and what I want to do is take, well, you know what, let me get this bowl, do it like this, make it easy on yourself, you know. Okay, so here's our peanut butter now. We're going to take our sugar into the bowl. That's 1 teaspoon. Two. 3. And we're going to let that do it. Close this up. Like so. Rinse the fingers. Take our spoon. We're going to blend this sugar like so into the peanut butter, okay? And this is creamy peanut butter. So that was 3 teaspoons of the confectionery sugar, okay, that we put in here. And just blend it like so, you know. Okay. Now what you can do, if you got any batter that's settled, that's only if you got any, you know, this is me working it. This is about a tablespoon. And I put that in the peanut butter. Now what we're going to do is slide our pan. I want you to see this. It's this camera. Ugh. Let's see. Here, that's better. And we're going to just drop the peanut butter like so on top of the brownie mix. Like so. And then what you can do this with the little tablespoon of brownie mix. And you can spread some of that throughout the peanut butter, but you're dropping this here into your pan, like so, like so. Okay, now what you're gonna do is, I'm gonna show you what you got. That's what you got. Take your spoon and just swirl it. Just swirl it. And if you want, you know, depending on how it looks to you, but this is what we got so far. We're going to drop some more, like so. That's one. That's another one. Two. Three. And just swirl it, you know, just whatever you want to do. It's up to you. Put it through here any way you want, you know. Okay, now what we're going to do is put this in the oven. Okay, so there we go with that. And what we're going to do, family, is 30 minutes. We'll check it at 30 minutes, okay? So we're going to move around for a hot second here. Yes, family, time to get these brownies out. Oh, yeah. Here we go. I better do another minute here. Let's see. I do not want to drop these. I don't. So I'm going to have me a good time with these. There you go. So what we have to do is we have to let them cool, and that's what we're going to do. Okay? And we'll get right back to them. How about that? Yes. Okay, family. Well, it's nice and cool. It's nice and cool now. Oh, yes, it is. So, hands are clean, but I'm going to rinse them one more time. How about that? Because I'm pretty happy about these brownies, trust me. You know, I've been baking cupcakes and lately, and I'm standing up here mixing the cupcakes, and next thing you know, I'm talking about, well, I'm going to do this with the brownies. So, I made some brownies. Okay? And look at there. See that? Our beautiful brownies. So now what we're going to do, they have cooled. We're going to take this knife. See what we got going. Oh yeah. I think we did it this time. I really do. I think we did it, family. I think we did it. Get what I can get out of here. And I'm going to handle it. Trust me. Let's see, I'll do this one like this. Right there. I'm going to come across. And go down the middle like that. Oh yeah. Set that to the side. And I was going to handle it with that plate, but we're going to do this saucer. We're going to use this. How about that? Yes. Okay. So the mission is to, I want this. Oh boy, let's see. We gotta get our brownie out of the pan, okay? Oh yeah, here we go. I think I can lift this one up just like it. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Here we go. Here we go. Oh yeah, there we go. Let's put it in a plate anyway. How about that? Look. Oh yeah. Yes, yes, yes. It's moist. Let's see these things out. So what I want to do is place this here. See if I get this corner out. I'm being greedy, but I'm admitting it. How about that? I am admitting it. Okay, I'm gonna let this come up here. Get me a fork, like so. Let's see, where's my fork? Step over here. It's clean. Here we go, family. With that peanut butter swirled around in there, see that? It's good. Yes, it is. So, brownies here, they taste magnificent. What we used, and I'd like to ask you to subscribe to the channel if you're just stepping into the room. Got us a box of Pillsbury chocolate fudge brownie mix. And we called for 1/4 cup of water, 1/3 cup of oil, and 1 egg. Our addition to this was the peanut butter. We used confectionery sugar. We mixed that in the peanut butter after we had the peanut butter in the microwave for 30 seconds. We put, okay, let me back the train up. 1/2 cup of peanut butter. That's what you're going to use. And, you know, it's up to you. But if you're using just, you know, working with one box, and this box is 12.9 ounces. So what I did is I used 1/2 cup of peanut butter, put it in the microwave for 30 minutes, covered in a microwavable bowl. And then I took 3 tablespoons of confectionery sugar and blended it in the peanut butter. That's the bowl I used. And this is after I mixed the brownies up really well. But we also, another addition we had to the brownies, finely grated pecans. We mixed that in the brownie batter. Poured it in the pan. Then we took our peanut butter and dabbed it. Different spots of the brownie here. And then just swirled it through. You know, do it the way you want. In the oven it goes for 30 minutes. And you take it out. You can let it cool for about 26 minutes. And you're good to go. Make sure you have a non-stick pan. You know, if you don't have a non-stick pan, use some cooking spray. Any brand will do. I used Pam. And that's going to be creamy peanut butter that you use, not the chunky peanut butter. You know, you want creamy. So with all that being said, family, I enjoyed your company. Brownies are good. And here we go. I love you. I love you. I love you. And family, I know you love me. Always love yourself. Love yourself first. That's the most important thing you can ever do. And with that being said, I'm just going to say bye for now. Bye.